There is no need for any good crypto investor to panic at this time. So despite the fact that market is coming back down on BTC and we are seeing this very little movement downward on ETH, don't panic in the market. This is an opportunity to buy more as a crypto investor. And I'm going to show you what is happening on the chart right now and what you should pay attention to, what you should do in the next coming days. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content and technical analysis. Right here on the BTC USDT chart, market is coming back to the downside, and if you notice very well from a clear standpoint of market structure, you see that there is a break of structure from this very point where we see the market fail to create a new high. I talk about this in one of my videos. Market come back down, okay, and then move up, come back down, move up a little bit, fail, and then create a new lower than the previous low at this very point. This is an indication that market is going to begin to move to the downside. So from here, market move upward, which was retracement of this very impulsive move, and the market is coming back down. It has created another low, which is an impulse. So market have capacity of retracing again to the upside and then continuation to the downside. I want to show you what you should pay attention to know that the market has finally paused its movement to the downside, as you can see right now, and that the market will begin to move upward finally. Okay, so from this very analysis, we already know that market is heading back down. We can all see on the chart. So from here, I am expecting that this market right into this very area of $52,000. Okay, this very zone is very, very important on the chart, right? And this is where we see a very significant pump to the upside from in the past. And this was the last impulse, and this is where it started. So this market started pumping from here upward and then creates an all-time high of $73,000 and then begin to come back to the downside, as you can see right now. So on this very chart, you have to pay attention to this very level. Market have capacity of coming back down into this very point. Okay, so this is where I'm expecting market have come back down and then move upward again, come back to the downside. This is an exact thing that I am paying attention to right now in the market. So this is a possible area I am expecting the market to pause before the next move to the upside between this price level of 52.9k and this price level of 50.6k. okay, this very zone is very, very important to me on the chart right now. And for you to take advantage of the next move upward, you have to pay attention to this thing on the chart right here. We have the first movement on the chart right here, which is an impulsive move. We have the second movement on the chart right here, which is an impulsive move. And then we already have another one on the chart again, which is also an impulsive move. We need to wait for this impulsive move to have a retracement before the next final move to the downside, and then for market to move upward. What I want to show you here is that before you pay attention to buying the market, or for you to know that the downward movement have ended, this very impulsive move must be broken. Okay, so this very level right here must be broken, this level of $67,000 and this very point right here of $64,000. That means the market should come back from this very point of support and begin to move upward. And then once we cross this very area, then know that market is going to have that aggressive move to the upside. Now, why are we considering this very point? Now, number one, this very point is the first impulse after this long impulsive move, and then this is second impulse, and then this is the third impulse coming into the market right now. So once we see this very breakout of this very point of resistance right here, then it will give us that market structure shifts. Okay, so once you see that market structure shifts, then market is going to begin to move upward. This is what you should pay attention to know when the next bullish aggressive move is going to come into the market. So this is what you should pay attention to right now on the immediate short time on the 1-day chart. So on the 4-hour chart, if I go a little bit down to the 4-hour chart, there's something very important right here. The market has already moved significantly downward into this very level of 57.6k, and right now market have capacity of retracing back to the upside. So from this very area where the market is right now and this very point of 55.8k, this very point is an area you should expect retracement to come into the market, and market should retrace upward. That does not mean you should buy the market. Market is still going to come back down because we are in a downward movement on the higher time frame, which is a 1-day chart. So market is going to come back down. So look for short opportunity on futures for the market to come back to the downside. So on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to retrace. Okay, so that is what I'm expecting right now, retracement within this very zone of 57 and this very area of $55,000. Between here, retracement and then continuation to the downside on BTC. And on ETH, it is not an exception. Market is always coming back down if Bitcoin is coming to the downside. So that is what we are seeing right here. A very important area you should pay attention to on this very chart is this very level of resistance. Is very, very significant, and I believe is going to hold the market from this very zone. So this level of resistance right here is the first point of reference, because we have a little support here and then a very significant resistance where market come back down from before this major move upward from this very point. And then the next point you should also note for the next move in the market is this very area of support right here. So these 2 points is the 2 most important reference points we are seeing on the chart, and this is the 1-day chart right here. So from here, market should come back down and begin to move to the upside for a retracement. So we have an impulsive move from here, and the market retrace, market impulse, create a new low, market retrace, and then another impulse is right in again. Market have capacity of retracing and then come back right down here, and then the final move to the upside. This is a possibility. Now, what I am expecting is from this very point of resistance, which will turn support right here, market have capacity of moving upward, and until market break this very area for a market structure shift, then don't expect any aggressive move to the upside, because this is a recent impulse that we are seeing in the market right now at this very point. So pay attention to these guys, is very, very important on the chart right now. And if you move over to the 4-hour chart, from this very 4-hour chart, you understand that the market is already exhausted and have capacity of retracing before continuation. So these very markets have moved all the way from here in a single impulse. Market should retrace and then move back down again, okay, for the continuation of this very impulsive move. So market is still in the downtrend right now. Taking a short position will be the nice thing to do instead of buying the market. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So as an investor, if you want to buy the market for holding for a long time, this is the best time for you to buy into your portfolio, because you may not see this price in the future. It is a time to buy more and not a time to panic in the market. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for more crypto videos, educational content, and trading strategy. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video.